walked on a beach with the sun burning down, waves crashing in.
In conjunction with IYMP, we sought a grant from the government to conduct some fishing workshops that the idea was that it was a cultural exchange. We learn from them, and also we give back in giving some of our ideas from our industry. You know, the sharing of ideas so that the information flowed both ways.
You can hear a million colors. This is the sound of hearts beating in stereo. Sun singing in a red sky glow. Turn it up everywhere you go now. This is the sound of summer. Ever laid in a boat looking up at the sky, drift off to the sea as it hits the side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ever looked in her eyes as she laughs out loud, getting lost in the echoes of a sold out crowd. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good times whisper in the air. You can feel it everywhere. This is the sound of summer. You can hear a million colors. This is the sound of hearts beating in stereo. Sun singing in a red sky glow. Turn it up everywhere you go now. This is the sound of summer.
As a reconciliation process, I felt it was a fantastic process, and I think it's something that every industry should join in themselves.
We fish a lot. We grew up fishing, so this is normal thing.
It's good to be reminded of being at home because I haven't been able to do a lot of fishing down here.
There's a lot more that all of us can give to make this country a better place. We can continue to grow this project.